Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TCL TabMax, and let me share with you how to change the keyboard language on this device. So first of all, we have to open the keyboard. So for example, right here in this bar, or in the browser, or in notes, it doesn't really matter, just have the keyboard on the screen. And now we have to enter the settings, so let's tap on it. Now enter the languages, and as you can see, this is the list of all previously added languages we've got on English, so let's tap on Add Keyboard, and after that we will be transferred to the full list of all available keyboards and languages from which we can choose. So this list is so wide, so impressive, so I'm pretty sure that you will find the language you'd like to use. So basically all you have to do is to simply find it and tap on it. So let me pick maybe Arabic. So let's tap. And sometimes, depending on the language, you will be able to pick the region, so just tap on the one you'd like to use. And as you can see, here we've got, let's say, a keyboard section, so you will be able to pick the keyboard type. And it's of course up to you, and it depends again on the language, because sometimes you will be able to pick from 5 different options, and sometimes you will be able to pick only one. So just pick the one you'd like to use. I will stick with the first one and tap on Done if you're ready. And as you can see, my language has been immediately applied to this list. So now we can go back to the keyboard. And here we've got actually 2 differences. So first of all, the spacebar, it's not empty anymore. Right now we've got the name of the language we're currently using. And next to it, we've got the globe icon, which will actually allow us to change the language. So right now I'm typing English, but after tapping on the globe icon, I can easily switch to the Arabic one. Now let me tap on it again, and again English. So that's basically how to how to add the language to your keyboard. And now let me show you how to remove it, because sometimes you do not need like 2, 3 or 4 different languages added. So let's enter the settings, tap on the languages, and here from this tab, just tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Now let's mark the language you'd like to remove. I will pick Arabic and tap on the trash bin icon again in the right upper corner. And as you can see, we've got only English left, so this is the state which was at the very beginning of this video. So let's go back and check. And here, as you can see, first of all, the spacebar is empty, and we cannot find the globe icon, which is a language key, which means, of course, that we've got only one language applied. So actually, this is it. This is how to change keyboard language in your TCL TabMax. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.